Tired of wasting your money on a water heater? Mine ended up springing a leak, and it's only about 5 years old. So I decided to dig into it and see if I could actually repair it. I stripped the cover off, top and bottom. Pulled all the heating elements out to see if they were okay, and they are. Then I plugged everything up and put this on just as a way to plug this hole, and stuck this little thing in there. And now what I can do is run air into it, and if you walk around the styrofoam, put your ear to it, you can literally find the pinhole, because that's probably what it's going to end up being. There's a check valve in there so it keeps pressure. But I ended up finding mine right here. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 16th bit in there and drill it out a little bit and stick a screw in it with some silicone. Then take some expanding foam, put it back here, put the cover back on it, and probably bolt the cover, because these aren't meant to come back off. And if that doesn't work, probably just wrap it with some that thick insulating tape, and put foam back on the bottom, because that's where I thought it was, on the bottom. So I ended up taking some of the foam off of there and re-foam it, and hopefully, yeah, I know once there's one pinhole, there's probably going to be more eventually. But it beats spending $800 to put out for another one, especially when it's only about 5 years old. So if you're tired of blowing your cash on these, that's a way to do it. It takes a little while. It went out this afternoon, and it's about 8 o'clock now, so I guess 6 hours to find it, and probably a few more hours to fix it and put it all back together. But I don't mind spending a day to save $800. Alright guys, adios.